Okay. Yep. And of course, I could have probably downloaded a YouTube video and watched the whole thing of how to do this perfectly, but what's the fun in that? As I said before, that is, in fact, the correct torque spec. When you do things here at Southern Iowa Luddite, it's always the correct torque spec. Best way to hillbilly stuff, redneck stuff, brake cleaner, carb cleaner. Get most of it out, call it good. Okay, I guess I'm down to putting this back on and seeing if she'll start up. So I'll do that, take it off the table, and we'll see if I did any good. Okay, so we're going to put some fresh gas in here, try to start it up, see what happens. I guess that tank doesn't hold very much. Well, I call that a success. Let's do it one more time. Okay, so there it is. Classic Southern Iowa hillbilly hack. Found a mower on the side of the road. Never seen one like this before. Didn't really look anything up, didn't look at YouTube.